In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what you need to have in your book for it to be a lead generating machine that attracts high value clients for your business. Hey, I'm Michael DeLon here, founder of Paperback Expert, and I know firsthand how tough it is to stand out and build authority in a crowded market. Writing my book changed everything for me. It allowed me to be seen as somebody who prescribes solutions instead of being seen as somebody who is like selling a service. Now I help business owners do the same thing. If you want to be seen as an established authority with built-in trust, if you want to attract more clients and grow your business with a book without writing a word, check out how we can help you do that in the video description below. All right, let's dive into this. Number one is around your content, how to build your book around a key belief. It's about more than just writing. Okay, let me share a powerful strategy that comes from a well-known marketer named Russell Brunson. In his book, Expert Secrets, Russell talks about something called the Domino Belief. This is the core belief that once you get your readers to accept it, everything else in your book and your business will start to fall into place. He explains that to attract the right clients, you need to challenge their thinking to get them to shift their beliefs and show them a new way of looking at things. In simple terms, the domino belief is the key message that opens the door to everything else that you offer. So how does this apply to your book? Well, your book should have a central idea or belief that speaks directly to your audience's pain points and shows them that you have a better solution. And once your readers accept this core belief, they'll be ready to hear your solutions and trust your expertise. For example, let's say you're in the marketing space and your domino belief might be something like, marketing isn't about selling, it's about building relationships with your customer. When your readers accept that belief, they're not just reading your book, they're buying into your approach. And that positions you as the trusted authority that they'll turn to when they need your help solving their problem. Okay, you need to be able to use your book to attract and qualify clients. And the reason a book works so well as a lead generation tool is because it naturally filters and qualifies your leads. Okay, let me explain. When you give somebody your book, they're getting more than just information. They're getting a resource that speaks directly to their problems. And the book qualifies them because anyone who resonates with the message will be more likely to reach out to you for their help. Think of your book as a self-filtering tool. The people who read it and love it are the ideal types of people who want to work with you. And the people who read it and don't connect with it, well, they'll move on and that's okay. The goal is to attract the right clients who value what you offer. Number three, make your book a lead magnet and not just a product. Okay, now here's the powerful part. Your book can be a lead magnet, a tool that attracts people who want to work with you. And it's not about selling books directly. It's about using your book as a gateway to engage potential clients. For example, if you offer your book for free in exchange for an email address, let's say, this builds your database, your list, which is your number one asset in your business, and it starts to generate qualified leads. You can then follow up with these leads, offering them additional resources or free consultation or more training, getting them closer to becoming a client. And every time you engage with them, you're building more trust with them. By giving away your book, you're giving away value. You're offering a free resource that pays off by bringing in high quality leads who are already interested not only in what you offer, but they're interested in working with you. So number four, you want to leverage your book for speaking and media opportunities. A book isn't just a lead magnet. It's a great one of those, but it's also a ticket to media exposure. And here's why. When you're an author, you automatically gain credibility. Think about it. When you see someone is an author of a book, especially a best-selling author, you automatically lean in and you trust them more than somebody else who does exactly the same thing that they do. This is why authors get invited to speak at conferences. It's why authors appear on podcasts, and it's why authors participate in media interviews. These are huge opportunities to get in front of a much larger audience and position yourself as the go-to expert. Your book can be the reason that you get these speaking opportunities, and once you're on stage or a podcast or a webinar, you have a chance to connect with potential clients who are interested in your expertise and working with you. Number 5, you need to set up multiple streams of income using your book. And one of the biggest benefits of a book is that it generates multiple revenue streams into your business. Your book can be used to drive speaking opportunities, coaching opportunities, consulting work, and so much more. You're not just selling a book for profit, you're creating a multi-layered income by positioning yourself as a trusted expert. You can offer coaching packages based on the content in your book. Your book can act as a gateway to higher price services like private consultations or group programs or masterminds. And you can monetize your book by promoting related services that align with the solutions you're offering in your book. Oh, there's so many ways to use your book to generate revenue. So there you have it. How to turn your book into a client attracting, lead generating machine. So many opportunities for you. Writing a book isn't just about getting published. It's about leveraging your book and your expertise as a strategic tool to build your authority, your credibility, and to grow your revenue, your profits, and your business. If you're ready to create your own profitable book, I'd love to help you. With our Speak to Write process, we can help you turn your knowledge, your expertise into a professionally published best-selling book in just 6 months without you writing a single word. Click the link in the description below to see how. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, remember to like, to subscribe, and to check out my next video on how to position yourself as the go-to expert using your book. Check out my next video now.